This is a VPNUK setup tutorial for creating an IKEv2 connection on Android devices. I will now guide you through the entire setup procedure, including the installation of our CRT certificate file. This setup is being carried out on Android version 13, Tiramisu. The setup may differ slightly to other Android systems. Go to the VPNUK website at vpnuk.net, and then navigate to Setup Guides. Android devices. Scroll down to the native IKEv2 setup and click onto the View Setup button. You should now click onto the certificate download link. This will download the VPNUK CRT certificate file to your Android device. You may be given the option of opening the certificate file once it has downloaded, with the Android certificate installer. Newer Android devices will not allow the certificate to be installed using this method. You will have to go to Settings and install the certificate manually. I will now show you how. Go to Settings, and then scroll down to Security and Privacy. Other security settings. Install from device storage. CA certificates. You may receive a privacy prompt. Choose Install Anyway and then select the IKEv2.crt file that we downloaded earlier and click onto Done. You will receive a confirmation that the file has installed successfully. We will now go and set up the IKEv2 connection. Go to Connections, and then go to More Connection Settings, and click onto VPN. You will now be presented with the VPN Connections overview. To create a new connection, click onto the More Options menu and click Add VPN Profile. The connection settings pane will now open. Enter the name for your connection. This can be any name you choose. The type of VPN should be set to MSCHAP-v2. Now enter the DNS address of your VPNUK server. Click onto the IPsec certificate drop-down, and then select the VPNUK certificate that we installed earlier. You can now enter your VPN login username and password, then click Save. The new connection is now ready to use. To connect to the VPN, click onto the connection, and then click Connect. The VPN connection will now connect. You have now successfully created the connection to the VPNUK server. To disconnect, you would click onto the connection once again and select Disconnect. If you have any questions or problems, please come over to the live help service on the VPNUK website at vpnuk.net. Thanks for viewing. Goodbye.